Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's Wooley from S3 Magazine, and today we're putting the TB Performance crash bar on my Fiesta. What's up, guys? It's Wooley from S3 Magazine. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are putting the TB Performance crash bar on the Fiesta ST. Danny Check from TB is like the coolest guy in the world. Anyway, we're gonna walk you through it, show you how it goes. It's awesome.
The most fun thing I've ever done.
Yeah, but remember the Fiesta's
Where you put
the
it?
economy version, so things
Could be
tend
a
to be
little bit
kind
easier.
of Lego-y and easy, yeah. You guys haven't figured out yet. Yeah, we didn't like pre-plan this or anything. We're just kind of winging it. Mechanics, we are not. There's kind of a little place where you can grab right here and you just kind of, well, of course it ain't gonna work on this one. I mean, the theory is it just pulls up, right? That one worked like a champ. Let's see. Oh, there we go. This little round thing right here, it just kind of like clips, you know, plugs right into that. So basically pull up and it's out. It's no problem at all. You can time lapse this part because it's tedious. Three of these little 8mm that just go like basically bink, bink, bink. Your top and bottom, if you just have a little ratcheting wrench, will do great. For the middle one, something like this does really well because it's hard to reach. I think the way you do this is you pull and you wiggle and you shimmy, and then you find out they put some dumbass bolt. Why did they do that? I got a feeling this is not the proper way. I'm sure some of y'all are watching it cringing, but I don't care because it's gonna get the job done. That's right. Like, get this freaking bumper off, and this bolt is never going back in here. Do you have one on your side?
Yeah, I was waiting on you.
I mean, the sad thing is I do feel like it kind of needs to be there to support everything.
I don't think it really serves the purpose. I mean, it might, because Ford put it there, but...
Yeah, they're like, oh man, this thing's wiggling. Just put something right there, but sirs, we've already designed the whole bumper. We can't just, okay, we'll do it.
Boom.
And just like that, she's off.
Woo! That was fun. Not. So tell me how this is supposed to happen.
This is a TB Performance crash bar. Fiesta ST. Alright, this ugliness, stamped steel stuff is going to come out. This is going to replace this right here, and it'll be visible through the front grille. Should be pretty cool. I think they say it saves 14 pounds. I mean, who cares, right? We're doing it for the cool factor. You can also see half of this front vent is actually not vent. What I think we're going to do is sand the back side of this to make it fully vented, and you'll really be able to see the crash bar in there.
It should just be 4 bolts on each side, and the factory crash bar will come off. And then I believe once we set the TB Performance bar up to it, we can maintain the factory bolts and just 4 bolts, and it goes on.
It comes with everything you need, except because this is one of the first ones, I think we might have to go get the hardware we need. But if you guys order it, it'll be included. Something like this, if you guys have it, or any kind of panel popper, It's pretty handy because you got to get some of these annoying little clips out, and that'll just help you to do it. But you know, if you don't have this and you don't feel like getting it, screwdrivers kind of work, just not as well. One secret I learned from my stereo days: if these little clips aren't working, jam like a pick in there, and then you can kind of do that, and they come off. Sometimes they just spin in place and won't come off. This helps.
I'll hold this, you hold that. Because I don't want to rip wires out.
Make it look super heavy, so it looks like we're saving a lot of weight.
Super heavy.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. Alright.
We got the whole front end of the car attached to it.
Oh.
Oh, your hood prop. Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Okay.
Hold on.
Ah, the hood is giving me anxiety. Ooh, all your AC stuff, your AC lines are attached to this.
Let's see. Why is everything here? Can you put one bolt in that side to kind of hold it up for a while? I thought that this was going to cleanly come out, but yeah, everything.
The whole front end of the car is attached.
Wants to follow it. Okay, so check this out. We were quiet for a minute because we were dealing with headaches. Down in here, all right, so this bar right here has an arm that goes down here, and it's all attached to this. There's one bolt down there, just a small, what, 8mm?
Yeah,
bolt.
I think it's an 8.
And I don't know if it's because of the Cobb intercooler or because of just the aftermarket intercoolers in general or whatever, but it was basically the tabs were blocking our access to it. We couldn't pull the bolt out. So, just so you know, we did have to, you know, take the front mount loose in one little spot, pull the coupler loose, and then slide it down, take the bolt out, and then we just put the intercooler back in place. So now...
No. Now you have to push the intercooler up and put this bolt back in.
Right now?
Yes.
You'd think that they would have studs here, right? So you could pull a nut off and it would still sit there. They don't do that. When you pull that off, it's coming down.
We need to put a jack under.
Yeah, we probably do.
Yes.
That got my attention. Okay, stop.
It's loose.
Here, come to this side. See if I can do a little bit over here.
Oh boy.
Damn it for it. Yeah, I took care of it. Okay. That actually worked great.
I kind of tightened that. I didn't want it. I wanted it to be where we can see where it. So I kind of tightened it down, but we need to go back over it.
Okay. Put the crash bar back on. It went right on, no problems. Whatever you want to call this little support bar, we're putting that back on. You need to put new bolts. You'll get new bolts that go right here. They should come with the crash bar. So I'll put those in. Oh, you got to take those little plastic clips I showed you that hold the headlight in. Those will go right back there. Got to tie up the little airbag sensors. That's thermometer. That's your airbag. Got to tie those things up, and then should be good to put the bumper back on.
I thought you had a rack on this thing.
I did. It's back there.
Why'd you take it off?
Boredom.
Did you go bottom one? Yeah, bottom.
Okay, yeah, no, check. That thing is kind of on here.
Yeah, no, it's not going anywhere.
just putting this cob intercooler pipe back up. It comes with brackets that hold it in place, which we had to loosen to get a little bit of wiggle room. And then a couple quick photos and put the bumper back on. It just rips out.
Yes.
Literally. It doesn't want to.
Because we got to do more than one.
Alright, let go.
Okay, and then...
I don't have a thumb. You literally just pull it straight out.
That's how it is on the Focus, okay?
That's how it is on some other car.
Pull on it. Pull on this end. I don't understand why is this so complicated. Ah!
Oh, this ought to be a little slice of paradise right here. Alright. Never mind that last take. Let's do it now. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Ow!
Oh, what's up,
It'd be
guys?
my pleasure to sand this thing. There, yeah.
She's in. I don't quite understand. There we go.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's the TV Performance Crash Bar. The guy you want to hit up on Facebook or Instagram or whatever is Danny Check or Daniel Check. It's an awesome product. I really like it. I feel like it's totally transformed the front of the car. It makes an angry little car more angry. I'm all about it. Be sure to like us, comment to us, subscribe to us, talk to us, be our friend, all that kind of stuff. Thank you. We love you. Today we're putting the TB Performance, welcome back to the welcome.